Guys, let's go through some videos to revise for this midterm, so to go through the topics that we have. And it's always wise to revise topics that go hand in hand, to group topics together. Don't just go through the book chronologically or go through the slides chronologically. Take topics that go hand in hand, group them together, understand the differences between them, the similarities, and just solve questions based on that. So we started off with some calculations, and we usually use a lot of powers. So let's write some power rules. So the first topic in this series is gonna be powers. All right, so let's write them. For instance, let's start like that. If we have same base with different powers, we keep the base and we add the powers. For instance, let's say we would have 5 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 2. That would be equal to 5 to the power of 3 plus 2, and that's 5 to the power of 5. Now, what if we have same power but different bases? Well, in that case, we would multiply our bases and keep the power. For example, if we have 3 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power of 4, that would be equal to 3 times 4 to the power of 4, and that would equal to 12 to the power of 4. Okay, let's go on. What if we have a to the power of x and to a different power, to the power of y? Keep the base, multiply the powers. For instance, let's say we would have 7 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. That's equal to 7 to the power of 2 times 3. That's equal to 7 to the power of 6. Okay, what if we have x root of a to the power of y? So we have x root of a to the power of y. Well, that would be a, the number, to the power of y over x. So this thing goes below it. Let's give an example. If we would have 2 root of 4 to the power of 3, that's the same as 4 to the power of 3 over 2. What if we have a division? So let's say we divide a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y. Same base, different powers. If we divide, we subtract the powers. For example, if we have 9 to the power of 4 divided by 9 to the power of 2, that's equal to 9 to the power of 4 minus 2, that's equal to 9 to the power 2. And let's write one more. What if we have a to the power of minus x? A to the power of minus x, that would be 1 divided by a to the power of x. For instance, if we have 3 to the power of minus 2, we could write it as 1 over 3 to the power of 2, and that's 1 over 9. Alright, let's leave it like that for this video, so that we keep the videos short, so you can focus, go through it again, and then let's go in the next videos and finish off the topics.